Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create an update request in Smartsheet. All right. So first off, log into your Smartsheet account and open up the sheet. For example, this one. Now, what you'll do next is just go ahead and select the desired rows. For example, you only need a update for one row. Just click on the row number and then the row will be highlighted. Once that's done, right click on the row. And then as you can see here, we have the send update request available. Now, if you want to have multiple rows selected, just click on one, then hold Control on your keyboard, select the other like so. If you want to ask for an update for the whole or every row right here, just click on one, hold Shift and click on the last row. Okay, once done, just right click and send update request. So just click on it, and in this window, we'll just need to enter the recipient. You can go ahead and click on the person icon right here. And if you have contacts from your Smartsheet account, you can just go ahead and easily type down their names. Okay. Or you can go ahead and add new, like so, enter the name and their email address. Hit on OK, close it. As you can see, it's selected, or you can go ahead and manually type the emails. Okay. Like, hit on enter. There you go. It's been added. Now you can go ahead and edit your subject and enter your desired message. Okay. If you want to include CC, you can tick on it. Also, you can go ahead and select specific columns only. All right. Just click on include, edit, like so. Click on one to deselect it. Or if you want to select it, just click on it. And if you want to select all or deselect all, just click on all. Okay. Hit on OK. Now delivery, send now, or schedule it for a specific time or on a recurring basis. Okay, it could be weekly or daily. That's basically it. Hit on OK, hit on send. And once done, your update request has been sent. And as you can see here, or as you might have noticed, we have these icons. That means that you have requested an update. There you go. Here you have your status from, of course, you, sent on, and sent to. And that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.